Now, once you're done with this, you can continue on with the different classifications. For example, mammals, insects, reptiles, and amphibians. Okay. Now, once you have done this, continue on with the different types of animals that you have. And once you are done with this, you can start adding in different designs. Like say, for example, we can start adding in pictures of the animals that we want, but there are some very important things that you need to note as well. Now, to add in pictures into your PowerPoint, what you need to do is first to minimize your Microsoft PowerPoint so that you can go back to your computer desktop and access the internet. So click on the square button here to minimize your screen, followed by going to your web browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome, so you can just double click here. This time around, let me search for fish. So in the address bar on top here, all I need to do is type in fish and go to images. And I can choose the pictures of the fish that I want. So what I need to do is this way. All I need to do is click on a picture of a fish. Say, for example, this one over here. Wait until it fully gets clear and loads up. Then you right click, copy image. Go back to my Microsoft PowerPoint, right click and paste the third picture here for picture. Now, if the picture that I choose is too big, see, I need to move my picture around and use the corners here, shrink the picture so that it will appear nicely in my PowerPoint. Now, of course, let me go back to fish and put it in the right place, like this. Now, if you want to make your picture of your fish bigger, for example, you can make it larger as well and shrink the words. You can see the text box here, they have the dots as well. This time around, just use the corners and shift the text box so that the pictures and the words do not overlap on each other. Now, the next step that you need to do is to give credits to the pictures that appear in your Microsoft PowerPoint. For example, this picture is not taken by you, it's taken by someone else. You can see over here, you can see there's the word image broker. Now, if we use a picture without giving credits to the people who actually take the picture, we are actually committing an offense over here. So to prevent any problems, we just have to add in a small little line at the bottom showing other people where we got this picture from. So to do so, just go to here, go back to visit, and you can see that the picture will be over here as well. Now, since this is the source, all we need to do is just go back to here, right click, copy, then over here on your PowerPoint, you just aim for a blank space. You see, do not click onto the text box over here, do not let it overlap. So just click on this source here, right click, paste the words inside, shift it down over here, and over here we can type in the letters at the front, source. Now, this word, source, is basically showing other people that you took this picture from this website. So one thing about this is that for the source, you want it to keep the picture really small, the words really small, so that it doesn't really stand out too much, because you want your focus to still be on the Microsoft PowerPoint that you're creating. So just make this text a little bit smaller, like slightly smaller, so that it just fits into a small tiny little corner of what you want. So the focus will still be on the words and the pictures that you have in. Now do the same for the rest of the PowerPoint slides over here. So let me just quickly fill it in. Now once you finish this is the end of the lesson. Now in the next lesson itself, I'm going to start showing you all how to add in different designs, animations, and transitions for your Microsoft PowerPoint.